Hey everyone, it's Amy from Donaldson and this is Filtration in the Field. We all know water and debris are the most common contaminants in fuel. I'm here on my family farm with Gabe, a training manager from Donaldson, to talk about exactly how that happens.
One of the main sources of water in diesel fuel is through condensation, which happens in bulk tanks like this here. Bulk tanks are going to breathe in and out. When they exchange air in, it's going to pull in some humidity with it. That humidity is going to collect in the tank, form water, and then it's going to settle down into the fuel where it gets trapped. In addition to moisture, dust, dirt, and debris also get pulled into the tank when the tank breathes in. Dirt also gets introduced when fuel is transferred from one tank to another and during normal operation.
There you have it. Protect your bulk fuel from contaminants with Donaldson Filtration, because if it needs filtration, it needs Donaldson.